What up, everyone? Mr. Florida back with you. Today's video, if you haven't watched the video I did on the my $20 weed trimmer hack, I added the blade onto it. Check that one out. But I got a new one for you. Look what I found. Look at this bad boy. Look at that. I'm going to turn my boring weed trimmer into a chainsaw today. Look at this bad boy. Got 20 teeth on it. So I'm going to put this on my weed trimmer and we're going to see what that does. Hopefully I don't cut my leg off. I also got a 80 tooth blade that I'm going to try out. So this kit I found on Amazon, right now it's selling for $18. I don't know how you could beat that. But anyway, it gives you the 80 tooth blade, the chainsaw blade, and it gives you all the hardware to put on your weed trimmer. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to put this on, and we're going to test it out and see what kind of damage we could do. I got a ton of brush I got to cut down out there. But I cut a lot down with the other weed whacker attachment I showed you. But if you didn't check that one out, check that one out. But anyway, I'm going to leave the link for this kit in the description. For 18 bucks, it's definitely worth it. I'm dying to try out this this blade. Gonna do some damage to those trees back there. Let's giddy up and get this on the weed trimmer. Show you how to do it. Don't go anywhere. Yeah, I think this, now for the chainsaw attachment, you put this back on, and you put this facing up, because this turns that way. So the arrow is facing up. It's a little difficult. If you could turn your weed whacker upside down, it's a little easier. I really don't want to turn mine upside down. Did I pick one up? All right. Gonna fire this thing up. Let me gas it up, and I'll meet you out back. Don't go anywhere. All right, let's try it on some of this brush. Oh my God! Oh my God! Did you see that? Try it on this. Try it on one of these trees. Ready? Wow. Unreal. Thing is sick. What do you think? 18 bucks, you can't beat it. Look at the trees that cut down. Look at the size of the tree it cut through. Crazy. With it. But like it was nothing. So I'll leave the link in the description for this. Definitely worth it, for sure. But make sure you wear, glasses, gloves, some pants. You definitely got to wear some personal protection equipment with that, and you definitely got to hold on to that weed trimmer because it definitely bites in when it hits the tree. Let's see what else we can get into over here. Cut some of this down over here. I think we're gonna take that big tree down over there. What do you think? Want to take that tree down? Let's take that tree down. The size of that tree we're gonna take down. Cut some of this brush out of the way first. Hit that tree right now. Look out. A little notch. That's one way to do it. not expecting it to cut through that fast. It sliced through that thing like butter. Crazy. Crazy. Size of that tree it just chopped. So what do you think? Definitely worth the money. Look at the size of the tree it's chopped. And obviously if I was doing this without filming, I would have took a little more precaution. I would have cut all that down back there first. But anyway, I didn't expect it to slice through that fast. Crazy. Like butter it went through that. Look at the tree I cut up with this. Huge. I'm going to finish up all this. So I just cleared all this with my chainsaw weed whacker attachment. This was all brush, cut it all down. Just going back and forth, back and forth. Slice through this stuff like butter. Crazy. Cleared all this. This was all trees. Look at the size of the tree I cut with this. So check this out, leave the link in the description, and if you get it, let me know how you like it. For 18 bucks, how can you beat it? Turn your weed trimmer into a chainsaw. I will see you on the next one, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like the comment if you liked it, and give me a comment. Let me know how you liked the video and if you got one of these. Alright, let's see you. I'm out. See you on the next one.